Alright, it's Mr. Ralphs. I'm back today to do 411 box method. The box. Ooh, hoo, hoo, hoo. So we'll do the box. So let me show you. We're going to do it with remainders, hopefully. I'm going to pick some random numbers. Hopefully they come out as remainders. So we're going to go, let's do 478 divided by 3 and see what happens. So as we saw in the last video, so we're going to say 3 goes into 4. How many times? It goes in without going over. So that's 1. 1 times 3 is 3. We subtract and get 1. And then the rule is, good, bring that up. So then 3 goes into 17. How many times without going over? 3 times 5. A lot of times kids forget to write that number up there. And so then they write this 15 here, but they forget that 5. Don't let them forget that 5. 7 minus 5 is 2.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was seeing if I... Okay, and then we're going to bring that up, and we got 2. So then we go, and I did it right. I had a remainder. So we're going to say 3 times what goes into 28 without going over? That is 9. So 9 times 3 is 27 minus, we have this lovely little 1 down here, but no more boxes. There's no other box over here, so that becomes our remainder 1. Okay, and the great thing with multiplication is you can always check it. You can go 159 times 3. So 9 times 3 is 27. Put a 2 up here. 5 times 3 is 15 plus 2, 17. Put a 1. 1 times 3 is 3 plus 1 is 4. And then this 1 that's over here, you add it, so we actually then get 478. And that number matches back with what we put in the box to begin with. So let's try another one, but let's do it with 4 numbers this time. If we're doing that, we're just going to make our box a little bit bigger. We're going to put 4 here. Let's go 1, 7, 6, 3. Paused again. Divide that by 6. So, sorry, I keep giving them pause somehow. So 6 goes into 1. You can't do 6 times anything to get 1. So it goes in 0 times. Keeps pausing, so I don't know what we got. So 56 minus 54 is 2. We bring that 2 up, and we get 23. So 6 goes into 23 3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. We minus and get 5. There's no other box over here, so it makes it remainder 5. So 293 remainder 5. So the box method is really nice, and it's neat because the kids are able to visual see what they're doing. Where a lot of times when we do the old time regrouping method that most of us adults did, or kids, I did growing up, it's really, kids forget to bring numbers down, they get really confused what to do, and what makes this one nice, when there's these random zeros that they have to put in anywhere, they can visually see it because it's in this box method. So this is a great way to do. And what I'm talking about, so let's do a really quick one here. So if I have 4, 1, 3, and we'll do it by 2. So 2 goes into 4, 2 times 2 is 4. We minus and get 0. I bring that 0 up. Usually, kids get really confused here because usually you just put a 0 up and bring the number down. But this is what we do now because 2 goes into 1 0 times. Because I can't times anything by 2 times something and get 1. So 0 times 2 is 0. You minus and get 1, but then I still bring that up. The key here is using these arrows right there and making sure they're putting their numbers up here at the top. So 0, and then 2 goes into 13. 6 times 2 is 12. You minus and get 1, so it's 206 remainder 1. So this is an awesome way to teach the box method. So this is the box method for 4.11. Love it. It rocks. Have a good one. See you next time.